The dumbbell squat and press on BOSU is a full body exercise that may be functional for some athletic training styles. However, if muscle building is your goal, it's not the best for building muscle in the quadriceps or shoulders. Since the BOSU is designed for balance, the core and ankles take on a lot of the stability work, thus decreasing the amount of weight lifted and tension in the legs. Here's how to do it correctly. Place the BOSU on the floor with the flat side facing up. While holding a pair of dumbbells by your sides, brace your core for balance, then place one foot at a time on the BOSU. Position your feet shoulder width apart, then position the dumbbells at shoulder height with neutral palms facing in grip. With your core engaged, find your balance, then slowly lower into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees, keeping your chest up. Once you reach a deep squat, press your feet through the BOSU platform to stand back up while simultaneously pressing the dumbbells overhead with your palms facing in. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder height as you immediately lower into another squat. Focus on maintaining control and balance throughout the movement. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.